Too much history, have you make it so hard to leave ya? What you do? Big old man thing, me not.
Hey guys, it's me Nekeisha and whatever. And I'm back again with another video. As you can tell by the title, today I'll be giving you guys an update on this hair or whatever. It's been about December, January, February, March. 3 months since I got this hair. Well, April's next week, so we'll just say it's April. April 1st is like next week, Monday. And today is Wednesday. Thursday. Today's Wednesday. So, yeah. It's basically been 4 months. And I don't really know what to say in this video. So, I'm going to just tell you guys everything that I think that I would want to know when hearing about hair and this update and whatever. So, this hair, it's not hard to maintain at all. It's very easy. Like, I got it and it was nice and silky and everything, and it's still nice and silky. I washed it and I just put conditioner. I don't really put anything else in straight hair because I feel like it'll weigh it down. After you straighten this hair, when you straighten it, it's very easy to, it holds the straightness. I don't know. But basically, when you straighten it, it stays straight throughout the day. You know, wearing it outside, wind blowing and everything, it still stays straight and nice and silky and whatever. And no tangles, little to no shedding. Like, I haven't seen any shedding. I'm not gonna say that it doesn't shed completely because I know wigs shed. But this wig, since I've had it, hasn't shed. It doesn't tangle up really bad. Like, it's just great overall. The only thing that I can say that kind of bothered me about the wig was that the sides, being that it's a closure, the lace is only to like right here is where the lace stops, and everything else is just like tracks and whatever. So the sides, I don't know why, but this lace wig is very hard right here. I don't know. Every time I've seen, oh, not lace wig, it's a closure, my bad. All of the closures that I've watched many closure wig videos to try to figure out why my wig is hard at the sides, but none of them are like that. This must be a new thing. But it was kind of weird in the beginning because the hard sides kind of like stuck out like this, so my wig looked weird. But what I did to make it lay down was I put it on my mannequin head and then I tied it really tight with a do-rag. And also, when I first got the wig, these sides right here where the lace stopped, it kind of like, it's weird. I don't know if y'all can see it. Yeah, you can see it right there. There's like a bump where there's a bump between where the lace and the rest of the wig start. I don't know, but that was really annoying too. So all I did was just drench the wig with water, and then I tied it down really flatly in a do-rag, and now it just fits my head better and forms better and everything is just better. I believe I said this already, but what I did to maintain the hair was all I did was just wash it. I only washed it just one time and it came right back with its shine and everything. So all I did, I just washed it one time, put some conditioner in it, and then I washed the conditioner out again with straight hair. I don't really feel the need to be putting products in it because then it's gonna weigh it down and it's not gonna be as flowy as it is. Feel me? Well, I don't know. That's just me. I don't know. Maybe you're different. Maybe you, I don't know, but that's just me. So this was a really quick video. It was like 2 minutes, bro. But just so I could drag it out a little bit, if you want to know any more information on this hair, I will link the unboxing video down below because I do have one and it was great and it was nice and it was lovely. Oh, also this wig, I don't wear it like every day. I switch it up, so I guess that's why it's still such in a great state, but I still wore it enough to give her a update to tell you guys how it's been, what it's been doing. it's just a really nice wig. It fits nicely. Everything is nicely built. The only problem is this part right here and the sides, because that gets annoying, especially when the wind is blowing and you just see the flat just like chilling right there. I'm just like, relax. But other than that, this hair is great. I completely recommend. Again, the link to the other video will be linked down below, and that video will also have the link to this wig if you're interested and you want to buy it. If you have any more questions, leave a comment down below. I have yet to curl this hair, but I don't think I'm ever gonna curl it. I think this is just gonna be my bone straight wig, and that's it. And it's really easy to straighten too. I don't know if I mentioned that. You just run through it with the flat iron. Like I said, I don't put anything in my hair. Run through with the flat iron, and she's straight and she's shiny, and she just be chilling, honestly. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos. But yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.